This is a prophecy, a lament from our ancestor, Titai. What is this wind that blows yonder? It is the northwest wind, that drives to our shores this giant nautilus. Maybe I should place my handsome carved post on the shores of the Waiata, and then my dreams then will be fulfilled. The prophecy was fulfilled by Awihai Te Kauau when he invited Governor Hobson to the shores of the Waiata. The Pūpūtarakihi was revealed on the time when the Hobson's ship came into this harbour.